Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today I'm going to show you a fast, easy recipe called creamy chicken with mushrooms.
We start with 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, which we're going to cut into bite-sized cubes.
I've got here in my bowl all the chicken breasts that I've cut into cubes, and we're just going to go ahead and dredge them up with some flour. It's not an exact science how much flour to use, so you just put in a bunch and then mix it until everything's got kind of a nice flour coating. We're also going to throw in 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. That looks pretty good. We're ready to go over to the stove. So I've got my big pot here and I've melted some butter over medium heat. So we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. Flour has somewhat glued the chicken pieces together, so we're just going to break them up as best as we can. That's looking pretty good. We're going to put the lid on this and we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. That's looking pretty good. So the next thing we're going to add in is half a chopped onion, 1/4 of a pound of mushrooms that have been quartered, or if they're very large, you can cut them into 8s. Finally, we've got a tablespoon of chopped parsley. So after we've got this all mixed up, we're going to put the lid back on it. And we're going to let it cook for about another 5 minutes. That's looking pretty good. The onions are starting to get soft, so are the mushrooms. So we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of warm chicken broth. Give that a little stir and let that come back up to a good simmer. This is starting to bubble again, so we're going to go ahead and add in 1/4 cup of heavy cream, into which I have mixed 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. All right, that's looking good. We're going to let this cook uncovered for 3 to 4 more minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. Here we have it, creamy chicken with mushrooms, garlic bread on the side, and as a vegetable, cream spinach. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.